Okay, so for these next three videos, I'm going to be doing remakes of the first three fans that have ever been up here. So the first one is going to be the first ever fan that's ever been up here, which is the Hampton Bay Minuet 2. So I got this off of OfferUp back in 2019. In my other video of this fan, I mentioned, or I said that it was from 2001. I was actually looking at the UL listing. I don't usually trust those when it comes to dates. So the actual date for this is July of 2002. Another reason that I'm doing remakes of the first three fans is because, I mean, back in 2019, I didn't have a tripod, and also the lighting wasn't very good. So yeah, but that's besides the point. Another thing about this fan that I've mentioned before is that when I first got it, it had a bad capacitor. But luckily, I had another Minuet 2 that was missing the blade arms, and we decided to take the capacitor from that one and put it in this one. So now it works perfectly fine. Anyway, before I turn this fan on, I'm going to give you a closer look at it. Okay, and now to demonstrate the fan. Here's the light. And here's low. Oh, and what I forgot to mention is that in my original video of this fan, it originally had a 3-inch down rod, but I took that off because, well, actually I don't know why I took it off, but I did. So I decided to put a 6-inch down rod on it because, well, I wanted to. And also, I'm assuming since I put a 6-inch down rod on it, it's probably gonna wobble a lot more than it did when it had a 3-inch down rod. But yeah. Okay, now time for medium. Now time for high. Oh yeah, and another another thing that I forgot to mention is that this fan was originally flush mounted, but my dad didn't want to do that. Like he didn't want to install it flush mounted, so we decided to use one of the downloads from the Huntington 2. The white one that came new in box. So yeah. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, so there you have it. That is that is my Hampton Bay Minuet 2, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the next video.